Hi everyone, I'm Faize, and today I'm showing a quick micro UX fix that makes a difference. Sometimes a tiny animation or hover effect looks cool, but when it's a bit too much, it can actually distract the user instead of helping them. Here we are on the homepage of YouTube, and this part is search box. You can type anything in this part, and after type, if you want to remove it, you have to choose this icon, remove button, and after hovering, see how it suddenly gets big. It's kind of bad, right? This kind of detail is called a micro interaction. It's supposed to feel smooth and natural, not shocking. Now I want to make this better. Alright, let's inspect this button and see what style are controlling it. I'm gonna look for the class behind this hover effect and tweak it a bit. Okay, I found it. And we need change width for better hover. I want test by 30 and now change to 31. Okay, why this is better, much better. Now let's test it again. Alright, here's the before. The hover feels a bit too strong. It pops out, grabs your attention. Now here's the after. The motion is software, more balanced, and it blends nicely with the rest of the UI. You still get that sense of interaction, but it feels smoother. It's a teeny tweak, but it instantly makes the whole experience feel more polished. That's a quick micro UX for today. If you enjoyed this kind of short fix, hit the like and subscribe.